Hello, everybody. How are you? It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. I am so happy right now. So happy. I'm a spoiled little girl right now, right before her birthday, I'll have to say, because I'm like getting birthday presents even before the 7th of March, but that's the way it is with me. All right. I have a few people I need to thank for these, and I'm going to start with Sabrina, the Mismatch Crafter, because I'm the one I sent her and said, hey, do you think your mom can make me this? And she's like, I will check. And then a couple days later, she came back. She goes, yeah, mom said she can make it. And we had a little miscommunication because I was half asleep, but it was funny. That's a whole different story. So, thank you, Sabrina's mom, Nancy, for making these for me. And I have to thank Crafts by Teresa because Teresa's like, what do you want for your birthday? And I'm like, don't worry about it. And she's like, no, what do you want for your birthday? And then I'm like, I don't know. So she says, and when she gave me a gift of money. So I said, she goes, go buy yourself something. So I said, well, I will use that to purchase the one of these items. And the other one my husband bought me. So I need to thank all four of these wonderful people. I have to thank Sabrina for being the middle woman with me sending her the pictures, showing her mom, and me sending the money, and Sabrina giving it to her mom. So thank you so much, Sabrina, for doing that for me. So here we go. Ready? Y'all know I went to Beyond Van Gogh in December, and I'm reading Van Gogh. I haven't read all week because it's been that kind of week. Um, and I seen this on Pinterest, and this is where I came up with the idea and asked Sabrina's mom to make me one, and she made him much bigger than the one on Pinterest. And I love him, and I'm gonna hug him, and I'm gonna love him, and I'm gonna squeeze him so tight. And tomorrow he's going to be sitting in a special spot in my craft room from now on because I bought stands for them. Are we ready? Here we go. It's Van Gogh, guys. Oh my God. When I got him out, pictures do not do justice. I'll tell you right now. Oh my God, he's so adorable. She's got the little sunflower. His little jacket opens. You can see his little sweater and his little pants, little mustache. This ain't nothing, guys. Hang on. So his jacket could come on and off, which I will never probably take it off. Ready? This is so cute. Just wait. This ain't nothing, guys. Just wait. I'm gonna get him a little easel so it looks like he's painting. Okay. And then you got his legs, and ready? He's got little boots. I was like, oh my God. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. But that ain't the best part, guys. That's not the best part. I'm just loving him, okay? All right. He's got this beautiful yellow little straw hat. Ready? And then you take off his little straw hat. He's got his bandage. He's got one little ear. Remember, he cut off his ear. Loved it. He's got no ear on that side because he's got the bandaged it up. And then his hair. And he's so adorable. I love him. And then you put his hat back on now. So that is Van Gogh. That's Vincent Van Gogh. He is my new art buddy. He's my new little craft art buddy. So I ordered stands. I ordered the wrong size. I read it wrong. Thought it was 14 inches to 18 inches, and it was 4 inches to 8 inches. So they're only $3. I thought that was really cheap on Amazon. So I ordered new stands. They'll be here tomorrow because they're going to stand up in my craft room. Okay, now you ready? This one's Van Gogh, guys. All right. This is that. And okay, perfect. Thank you, Teresa. This is what I bought with the gift of money was Van Gogh. Thank you, Teresa. All right. Now this one my husband bought me. Every girl, even no matter she's turning 50, wants her little stuffed animals. Just saying. Or stuffed people. And this Sabrina showed me this and I'm like, oh my God, yes. And I showed Scott goes, all right. And ready? You ready? And if you looked at the thumbnail, you probably figured it out. But hey, I'm funner than a thumbnail. It's Prince. I love his little mustache, his little smile. He's got his purple costume on. He's got his little purple boots. Look at his hair. I don't know how she managed to do that. I know it's crocheted, but I tell ya, everyone is like stitched in and then stitched into the skin tone. It's crazy. Look at Prince. Ain't he so cool? I adore him. I adore them both. But when she showed me Prince, I'm like, yep, I must have Prince too. I need a Prince in my life. And his little purple jacket. His little, look at his little lace stuff. I adore him. I adore them both. But oh my God. Like I said, pictures do not give these guys justice. Now, I'm going to have to be upfront with you guys right now. If you're interested in having anything made crochet-wise, reach out to Sabrina, the Mismatch Crafter. But right now her mom's having a surgery, so she might have to postpone for a little while. And all that, so. But that's why she got these done for me real quick, because I told Sabrina, I said, it's in no hurry, you know. And she had these done like in a week, guys. A week and a half tops, I swear. The one was great. But there you go. There's my Van Gogh and my Prince. I adore them. They're just beautifully done. I look at it as a lifelong treasure to pass down from me to one of my grandkids, my grandkids. And they'll be like, "Oh, look at this was me or Nana's." And I'm actually going to, on the back right here, I'm gonna get a piece like a sticker, and I'm gonna put who made it and when I got it. And I think I could do that for Prince too, and right there too. So then they can kind of peek. My grandma used to mark everything. Oh my God, I'm turning into my grandma. And I'm gonna put who made it in the year, so that they can know years when I'm gone, or even when when I lose my Alzheimer's or dementia, I can say, "Oh, where did I ever get him?" And somebody be like, "Hey, let's look, Mom. You put it on its butt." So thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much, Sabrina and Sabrina's mom, Teresa and Scott, for making my day for a long time, because I can't wait to clean off my spot. And then tomorrow I'll clean it off, because they're going to go back in their nice little plastic bag until I get their stands. And then tomorrow I'll take a picture and put it on Tina's Crafty Life and Friends, where I put them. So I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody. Bye.